The coexistence of the different forms of malnutrition has been a lifelong challenge of the country. The alarming cases of non-communicative chronic degenerative diseases are also becoming prevalent in earlier life stages. This current nutrition situation affects an individual's productivity and quality of life, which directly and indirectly influences the economic growth and development of the nation. Addressing malnutrition requires strong collaboration with different government agencies, non-government and international institutions, academia, stakeholders, and especially immensely involving local government units. Since its conceptualization as the Nutrition Improvement Model in 1978, the Barangay Integrated Development Approach for Nutrition Improvement Network Program has developed its own identity, ensuring that nutrition improvement is integrated as an entry point, explicit goal, component, and deliberate outcome and indicator of development. The Bidani Network Program has been the University of the Philippines Los Baños' flagship extension program in the promotion and enhancement of the nutritional well-being of the barangay with its 3 innovative strategies: the Barangay Integrated Development Approach or BIDA, Barangay Management Information System or BIMIS, and the Participative Nutrition Enhancement Approach or PNEA.
Una, yung sa BIMIS, napakahalaga ng mga datos na inabubuo dito, particular sa mga barangay, dahil ito yung ginagamit naman na primary data sa sasagawa nila ng kanilang mga plano. Sa BIMIS pa lang, makikita na kung ano yung sumasalamin ito sa kalalagayan ng barangay. Comes naman sa BIDA, ito yung ating Barangay Integrated Development Approach. So yung BIMIS, isang sangkap nito, na kung saan dahil ito ay mandato ng under the Local Government Code, yung RA 7160, na dapat ang barangay ay mayroong tinatawag na Barangay Development Plan. So ang binubuo naman din sa barangay, sa tulong po nitong BIDA, ay pagbubuo, pag-update po ng plano kada term ng isang sangguniang barangay. So it is a 3 years plan na kung saan lahat ng sektor ng pamamahala o serbisyo na kung saan na pinagbabasihan din ay yung BIMIS, yun yung kailangang buuin. Kung magitan ng BIDA, yung Barangay Integrated Development Approach, yun po yung isang nagiging basihan ng mga parameters ng DILG sa pagtiyak ng kanilang performance sa pamamahala.
So napakalaking tulong po ng strategy ng Bidani kasi po for the longest time, ang mga LGU at ang mga barangay, wala silang ginagamit na evidence-based na references for their development planning. So ngayon, dahil na-introduce yung BIMIS through the Bidani, nagkaroon po tayo ng mga data sourcing, accurate data, para po na magagamit, hindi lang po sa barangay development planning, ganun din po sa disaster, at ganun din po sa gender and development.
Ang pagpapatupad po ng Bidani strategy, particularly ang PNEA, ay malaki po ang naitutulong sa aming mga nutrition programs. Ang Bidani po ay isa sa aming katuwang upang matagumpay na maisagawa ang nutrition program sa aming bayan. At sa BINAP naman po, Barangay Nutrition Action Plan, ito po ay ang local equivalent ng Philippine Plan of Action for Nutrition. Dito po nakasaad ang mga plano ng barangay para matugunan ang nutrisyon sa kanilang bayan. So, nag-training po sila ng 12 model barangays kung saan po tinuro nila ang paggawa ng Barangay Nutrition Action Plan simula sa pagbuo ng Barangay Nutrition Committee hanggang sa monitoring at evaluation ng mga plano na nakasaad sa BINAP.
UPLB Bidani demonstrated its unwavering commitment and dedication to serving partner academe and communities towards nutrition and development for more than 4 decades. Emboldened through time, Bidani is now renowned for its community-based, participatory, and multi-sectoral development strategy aiming to improve governance and strengthen food and nutrition security among its catchment barangays in the Philippines. Continuing the legacy of nutrition and development across the Philippines, we are the Bidani Network Program.